How's it going, guys? Casey here with the Coyote Works channel. Well, for any outdoorsman, keeping your batteries charged up over multiple days exploring out here can be a challenge, but for a content creator like myself, it can actually become a second job out here. Between drone batteries, camera batteries, phone batteries, tablet batteries for navigation, flashlight batteries, keeping all that stuff charged up is a constant challenge. But a couple months ago, I picked up this portable power station from Blackfire. Now, disclaimer, I did not pay for this. They did send it to me, but I've been using it for a couple of months now, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick kind of a overview on how it's been working out for me. But one thing that I'm not going to do in this video is get into a lot of the technical specs, because those are all listed on Blackfire's website. If you just Google Blackfire Portable Power Station or go to blackfire.com and look at their portable power station, they have a whole listing on the full specs of it. What I'm going to share with you guys is kind of my experience on how it's actually worked out in the field. So as a content creator, I've got an exorbitant amount of electronic powered devices that I need to keep charged and ready to go while I'm out in the field, and this is just kind of a small selection of them. So what I really wanted was I wanted something that I could consolidate all of my charging needs into one unit, and that's where the Blackfire Portable Power Station comes in. So this unit has allowed me to eliminate having multiple power banks and keep everything charged off of this one source. So as you guys can see, it's got two traditional home outlet style plug-ins, and then it's got 4 USB plug-ins, 2 of the standard size USB and then 2 of the USB-C in it. So that gives me the ability to be able to plug in up to 6 different devices at one time. So as far as the basic functionality of charging goes, it's really simple to operate. I've got a button to turn on power to either side, and then I just plug my devices in. What I typically do is I have this set up inside my Jeep so that I can be charging multiple devices while I'm driving. So when I'm going down the trail, this thing lives right here, and I generally have a couple of devices plugged into it. So I'm plugging in devices and rotating through batteries, charging on it pretty much all the time while I'm out on the trail. So let me talk just for a quick minute about some things that I like about this unit over some of the other ones on the market that I looked at. It's number one, the size. And in particular, I really like the fact that it has this robust handle on it, but the handle folds down flat. So it's just a nice compact rectangle for storing in my Jeep. Outside of that, I like the simplicity and the versatility of it. This gives me the ability to be able to charge this power station from my vehicle while I'm driving, from a wall outlet at home, or from solar panels. Another feature that I really like about this is the simplicity of the readout on it. So it tells me the rate at which it's discharging, and it also tells me the percentage of power left in it. It gives me confirmation that whatever devices I have plugged into it are in fact charging, are drawing from the unit. And it also tells me the status of the power station itself and how much power I have left in it. I'm generally only using about 30% of it to get myself through a 3-day, 2-night trip. So here you can see right now I've got a gimbal, my Insta360 camera, a iPad, and my main camera battery plugged into it. All those devices are low and they're all charging. So you can see on the readout it tells me what the output is right now. It looks like it's 16.1. It tells me the time until the power station is empty. So right now it's saying at the rate that it's charging these 4 devices, it would take 24 hours for it to empty the battery in here. Now this does have another kind of a cool feature too, which is a Bluetooth speaker that clamps right on the back side of it. So it actually mounts right to the unit. It can charge from the unit, and it's a pretty nice little Bluetooth speaker. So as far as serving its intended purpose, so far 3-4 days it has plenty of capacity to keep all of my devices charged up. It has enough ports in it that I can keep them all charged up all the time, so I'm not waiting on devices to charge up. Size-wise, dimensionally, it's a really good fit for my kit. It has the performance that I need, but it doesn't have anything extra that I don't need. Now, as far as durability goes and holding up in the environment that I operate in, so far it's done really well. I've had it, again, like I say, for a couple of months, but I've been out in some pretty extreme temperatures in those couple months. I don't know if the camera can see behind me. Right now there's still a little bit of snow left on the ground. This weekend I've been out, it's been snowing and raining off and on the whole time. This thing's had moisture on it. It's been frozen overnight. I've operated it at temperatures from around 85 degrees down to about 8 degrees, and it's worked fine in those temperature ranges. So far durability has proven to be just perfect. It's bounced around in my Jeep. I've knocked it against things a few times, and it's performing flawlessly. So as far as longevity goes, I'll just have to keep using it and time will tell, but it seems to be really well made. Everything seems like it's really set up to be able to handle the outdoor environment. So after a couple of months of use, the Blackfire Portable Power Station is working out well for me. It's gonna have a home in my kit, and I'm gonna keep using it. If I have any problems with it, I'll let you guys know, but so far it's just been a bomb-proof, really solid piece of gear that's really simplified managing all of my power needs around the camp. So that's all for this one. I got to get camp set up. Darkness is rolling in fast, and I want to get a delicious meal cooking. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Coyote Works out.